Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. One of the quickest ways that I've seen people's credit increase really fast, and there's fast ways and there's slower ways. But one of the fastest ways is authorized user. There's something called AU accounts. Be very careful about buying AU accounts or authorized accounts. There's a plethora of different online companies that are pretty scandalous and they're scammers, so be very careful with that. But this is a real tactic. So typically speaking, for example, and some of my wealthier friends actually have done this, where when they have kids or son, daughter, significant other, brother, sister, doesn't matter who they are, in their crowd, they'll just add someone on as an authorized user to their card. So say if I have a credit card, right? I know you personally. I'm like, you know what? Let me help you out. I add you to my credit card. You can actually get your own credit card, or I could cut it up and keep it myself and not give it to you. So you don't have so just in case if I'm worried about you overspending, I don't have to give you a card. But guess what? As long as I add you on an authorized user, you don't have to have the card. All you get good payment history, which is 35% of the FICO score, added to your payment records, which boosts your credit. That's a credit secret to boosting your credit fast. You do that, you find someone you trust, a friend, family member, significant other, someone, and they add you on as an authorized user, or you add someone on as an authorized user, you can really benefit them or they can really benefit you. That's how you do it. Like, subscribe, share. If you want to build your credit fast, authorized user, but do your own due diligence. Currently out.